Cacha, the vibe is alive. With a glass of clamato, shrimp on the side. We taste the ocean's essence in every sip. Tacos and tostadas, a feast on our trip. Clamato in hand, dice in the air. Cold beers flowing, laughter everywhere. Molcajetes, soups, and shrimp galore. Here we dine with hearts that soar. Next to City Express, this spot draws us in. With fresh fish dishes that make smiles begin. Crunchy tostadas and tacos so divine. Flavors of Tijuana, a taste of sunshine. Clamato in hand, dice in the air. Cold beers flowing, laughter everywhere. Molcajetes, soups, and shrimp galore. Here we dine with hearts that soar. Men tossing dice as they cheer and toast. Cocktails on the table, stories shared the most. Time stands still in this authentic dive. A passion for life keeps the spirit alive. Clamato in hand, dice in the air. Cold beers flowing, laughter everywhere. Molcajetes, soups, and shrimp galore. Here we dine with hearts that soar. Mariscos La Cacha, unmatched in flavor. Next to City Express, a timeless savor. Tijuana embraces with its marine delights. This is the place where life feels just right. Mariscos La Cacha, unmatched in flavor. Next to City Express, a timeless savor. Tijuana embraces with its marine delights. This is the place where life feels just right.